Good morning from Bucharest. Now, today I started my journey back from Romania to Germany, crossing now up to Ploiest. Then we go Valia de Munte, Cheia, which is a nice road to take towards Brasov, and then we're heading to the center of Transylvania, Odorheiu Secuiesc. And what you see here, there's the Arc de Triomphe in front of me here in Bucharest. It's I think in size similar to the ones in Paris, in Paris, and it's really quite nice. So you might have seen it in some of my previous videos here in Romania. So I hope I have the city traffic soon behind me, and I'll be back with some more footage once I'm out of this madness. Hello, I'm Nikolai. Welcome to Spoke Wanderer. Let's roll. What do you see there in the front? This is called Casa Radio. So that's the National Radio Stations building. In the middle lane, this was kind of a shortcut, and now we should be after what, 2-3 kilometers we are out of this madness. So we just left the city of Valia de Munte behind us, and I hope you can see in the background now we're gonna have some more nicer area to ride in. Now, till Valia de Munte, it's not much to see until you get out of Ploiest. It's a lot of industrial area, village after village, and I just have two riders, one couple and one solo in front of me. They're from Poland, so touring is still active, which is good. Weather is quite pleasant, although the dashboard thermometer shows 13 degrees, so it's quite chilly. I activated the heated grips, and then it's okay. Now, traffic till now was, I would say, tense, and you couldn't do that many kilometers. So now it should be quite fine till we reach Brasov, or shortly to Brasov, where it will be more tense as well. Now, I have to mention also this road is very much frequented by trucks moving from Bucharest towards Brasov. So this is like, that's why here's many trucks on the road. Now at the moment we just have one in front of us, so we had now a couple of them, but it is what it is. It's still an enjoyable ride here. I usually love to ride this early morning, like starting off fast 30 in the morning, and then you reach here, and then when it's getting when the sun goes up, you have all the valleys then filled with mist and fog, and it's really nice. We managed to pass this truck. I don't want to risk anything. as usual, what is my saying? Rather 5 minutes late than never reach the destination. A lot of people from the city, they have out here like weekend houses and so, where they come here to the weekend, enjoying the mountains, enjoying the gardens, or just doing the holiday. Due to the fact that this road is used quite a bit from trucks, you can see in the dashboard it's a little bit worn out in some areas, and other than that, it's actually nice to ride. I mean, especially with a touring bike, it's perfect. Ideally you ride it on a Saturday, Sunday. You have too many humans. You don't have trucks, but you have then, you know, these weekenders which populate all the streets. So and now you see the mountains in the back. That's part of the Transfagarasan mountains, if I'm not mistaken. It's about 6 kilometers, then we reach the village of Cheia. When I started off my trip like 1 week ago, you didn't have these autumn colors already. I went to a similar area and there was everything still green, so now you see these autumn colors, and in this light it's just beautiful. Now we are in the village of Cheia. When you see out there in the back, it's beautiful. You can see all the trucks. And how the road is worn out, so better be careful in these corners, these turns. Now the nicest part comes, where we go up. Maybe I can show you on the map. You see that one here? This goes up like a Z harmonica up the mountain. Let's hope we don't have a truck. I hope you can see this nicely. This is going up, buck, 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 buck. Very nice. But it's only interesting if there's no traffic. Look at this panorama out there. Beautiful. We are unlucky. There was just pulling out one truck. So let's keep a bit of a distance, and maybe we can still enjoy, or we wait a moment. I actually just wait until something is coming, because then I know they are maybe already up. So now, because we don't want to have another truck in front of us. So now let's enjoy this. Hey, there it goes up. You don't want to come too close to these guys. I remember the first time when I rode this road Cheia to Brasov. There were so many potholes, you can't imagine. It was hilarious. Now it seems like they fixed it. Still here they have some, and you have to always be cautious about stones on the road, because they could be a little bit of a challenge for you. And you see they're becoming tighter. Here I went, when I went with also from my dear bike channel. I didn't start my channel at that time yet. We stopped somewhere in one of the corners, and he put his drone up. You can't imagine how amazing the footage was. So one more and we are out of this. I mentioned before, it's nice to do it early morning, because then you actually can be sure you don't have traffic. It's nice. I just passed the truck who gave me the signal, okay, go, go, go. So I personally didn't see to the front, but when it was like going like a snake in front, and he could see and he let me pass. It was very nice of him, because before that he was cutting the corners, and so thank you for that. Up there now the dashboard shows 9 degrees. Up there it was showing 7. It's still, you know, beautiful sunny day. It might be a bit chilly, but I'm so happy about the Gore-Tex, about the proper gear, so no issues at all. I have the side vents on my jacket open, sorry. And when I started off, air was blowing quite in, which was not really pleasant. So I have one of these Polartec function jackets, which I added then as another layer, and this is absolutely fantastic now. See, no need to rush because the next truck is coming up in front of us. So 31 kilometers we are in Brasov. The distance till our destination for today is still is at the moment 159 kilometers to go. That was nice. I like these valleys. It seems like they made the road quite recently.